We have one clean, we have one dirty. That's how it looks. Let me try to spin around. Let's see how it looks in there. Next I have to go through every single groove so I can remove the carbon build. See? Some wire brush will do the trick. Don't worry about it. So you try to scrub it and leave it in water, blah blah blah. The big rotary shops won't tell you that, and if they tell you to don't do that, they're not lying. But of course, it's like McDonald's. They're not gonna tell you the secrets or the ingredients. So it is what it is. This is for my engine. Cleaning the rotors, measurements, then order new parts like the bearings. So let me go ahead and clean this one up so I can get a good finish as this one. Okay, here's both of the rotors clean. On any phase you're gonna look for. This one is the rear RC, the weight is C. Same one here is gonna be FC. Good, right here, FC. It's front, weight letter C, rear letter C. So now tools to clean everything up. You don't have to go ahead and then buy a special shed to scrap it, because I've seen some of the big shops selling you little kits to clean it, blah blah blah. You don't need that. Go to AutoZone, Rayleigh's, Harbor Freight Tools, even a bobby pin, even with your ass. Clean it whatever you can. Don't buy, don't go on and spend extra money on stupid little parts of scrape crap. Let's say like if we're gonna clean, this one's kind of dirty right there. This is stuff I have laying around here. You can buy like $1 each. All you're gonna need is grab whatever it fits into the grooves and scrape it. That's all you need. That. As simple as that. Okay, if you don't have any tools, you're like Homo sapien or something, this is what you're gonna do. Watch. Let me pause it. You know what? I'm not gonna even pause it. I'm gonna grab my little box of goodies. The old Apex seals, springs and everything. You're gonna grab let me get one of the springs, the Apex seal spring, like even that one right there. And you're gonna use this to scrape it as easy as this. Boom. You see all the debris, all the dirt, all the carbon build. See, as easy as that. So please don't go and buy any dumb parts or tools to clean the rotors or any other part from one of those high-end shops. Even on the side seal group, you know, it's gonna be hard to get the carbon from there. This little old spring is gonna do a trick. Look, boom. Look how old all the carbon is gonna come out right now. Watch. Boom. You see all the carbon right there? Well, you can't really see it, but you get the point. Don't go and buy special tools to clean rotors and blah blah blah. No, you don't need that. Just use the basic stuff. And then even some other high-end shops too, they're selling you kits to rebuild or to refurbish or refresh the Apex seal groups. This is all you need to watch. You grab your old Apex seal. I'll show you these before in my other videos. Come on guys. You're gonna grab your old Apex seal, put them in there all the way down. You're gonna slide it side by side. It has to go side by side. See, that one went side by side. Again, look, all the way in, side by side. This group is fine. Next one, side by side. Boom, this one's good too. If it's close or anything, you're gonna get one of these little flat filing things, and you're gonna file it down. See how this one fits all the way through? You're gonna go an angle. Just file it down. Boom. Clean it up. Even this one's here. Clean it up. Get off the sharp things. It's more smooth on every single groove. Boom. See this one right there? I'll give it an angle. If it's close, the apex won't fit. Boom. I have a video on how to refurbish the rotors, how to clean the grooves if they're close because sometimes they're going to be closed and the apex seals are going to go through like smoothly. So look up that video, and meanwhile let me clean these ones up for all the carbon build, and we're good to go. So again, don't buy special tools. Scrub your old apex seal, your old apex seal spring, and scrub it. Boom boom, scrub the inside of it. And then I already showed you in my other video how to see if the tolerance are good. Mazda specs, brand new, they're 5.3 millimeters. The lowest you can go is gonna be 4.3. So stack 5.3, the lowest you can go 4.3. If you have 4.3 millimeters on your apex seal, you're good to reuse it. I have a video, is go check the other video below. You're gonna measure from here and here, and again right here and here. The lowest you can go is 4.3 millimeters. If you're on the 4.3, you're good to go and reuse your apex seals. And then if for any reason you lost your little corner, the one it detaches, Mazda and any other, I may post the link so you guys can follow it, because you can buy the little corner apex seal by its own. Yes, they do sell it. So 4.3 millimeters is the minimum. If you're in that range, reuse your apex seals. Don't spend 350 bucks on the full set. But anyways, those specs are all the little new tricks are coming up on next videos. But for now, let me finish cleaning up my rotors. Let's take a closer look right here. You see all the carbon build up? I'll remove that with a tiny little thing. So all you don't need any special tools. all you need is whatever it fits into the groove, so you can get the carbon build. You see all that? See all that shit. Let me blow it, watch. Now you see how clean it looks now? Let me try to scrape this one off. Just remember, always try to scrape right here on the walls. On the wall in here and the wall in here. So go here closer and scrape it, because that's where the carbon is going to be too.